Hello guys. So today I'm going to show you how to exchange stickers for star in Monopoly Go game. Now it's an extremely easy process. So firstly just simply open the Monopoly Go game. Now once your game is opened, just simply close all the pop-ups that might appear in front of you. Now after that, all you have to do is just simply click on the album option at the bottom right corner. Now right over here you will find a lot of sticker groups. So as you can see, there are a ton of sticker groups and each group you will find 9 stickers. So let's open a group. For example, in this group, as you can see, you will find a lot of stickers. Now, if you'll notice, in few stickers, there is a number written on top of that. Like for example, over here, there is written +2, and in this one, +1, then +1, then again +2. Now, what this means is there are 2 extra duplicates of the exact card over here, or 1 extra duplicate of this exact sticker over here. And if you will not have a duplicate, you will not have any number on the sticker. The number of stars that you will gain is the number of duplicate stickers you will have in the entire album over here. And to check how many duplicate stickers or stars you have accumulated, all you have to do is click on the green box at the bottom right, and right over here it will tell you how many duplicate sticker cards you have. And in order to exchange them, all you have to do is just simply click on the green option over here to buy them. In order to exchange the box you will get over here for 100 stars. What you will get in the box, you can see right over here. Now the price of the box will totally vary on the level that you are on, and if you can open it or not. So if you are level above 450, you will be able to open the second box over here, and if you're above level 1300, you will be able to open this box over here. As I just said, the number of stars shown to you over here are the exact amount of duplicate star or are the exact amount of duplicate stickers that you have in your album collection. The number of duplicate stickers you will get, the more stars you will get in the green box section. That's it. And thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Take care.